Book your ticket now! This is Salalah!
Josh, are you ready?
Mohammed, I am ready.
Let's go. تفضل.
Raimi, where am I? Mo, flip the camera. Let's show them what we're seeing.
يلا. What is it?
Book your ticket now. Come to Oman. Come visit Salalah. The people are amazing. Thank you, Mohammed, so much for having me.
No problem.
It's incredible being here. And the views are breathtaking.
ما شاء الله ما شاء الله. معي صديقي جوش جايني من أمريكا. Did you expect to see this before you came to Oman?
I did not expect to see this at all. This is the Middle East in the summer.
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh man.
مثل ما شايفين متكشخ بالزي الضفاري. Firstly, we are so happy to have you in our beautiful country, Oman.
Thank you for having me.
And it's a pleasure that you are wearing the traditional outfit. It's look amazing on you. What do you want to say to anyone who is planning to come to Oman, but he didn't decide yet? He's like between.
There's no reason to be between. Just come. Come visit Oman. Book the flight. The people, they'll take care of you.
Thank
It makes
you.
you feel like you're at home. There's beautiful sights to be seen. Great food. There's so much to do. And very, very kind people.
Thank you very much. And we are so happy to have you in our beloved country.
Thank you for taking care of me.
No problem. It's a pleasure, حبيبي. ما شاء الله ما شاء الله. يا جماعة ما راضي يروح من المكان. Josh, let's go.
Mo, let's stay. Let's stay. Let's stay.
We have another nice and beautiful
It's
places.
okay. It's okay. We'll get there.
Okay.
We can stay.
والله ما ألومه ما ألومه.
Book your ticket now. Come to Oman. Come to Salalah. It is beautiful. The people are very, very kind. Thank you, Mohammed, for having me.
No problem, my friend.
Oh,
It's a
thank you,
pleasure.
Mo.
والله يا جماعة إنه مستانس.
Come back.
بيك
Salalah!